What's up, guys? It's George, and in this video I want to share with you why being a notary public is such an easy way to make fast cash. I'm actually on the way to a notary appointment right now. I'm going to make a quick $100 and should only take me a couple of minutes once I get there. But over the weekend, I'm a single dad, so I'm with my daughter pretty much every other week. And so this past weekend I was on daddy duty. Spent an awesome quality time with my daughter, and when I'm with her, I tend to unplug and just have fun, just hanging out with her. And so so on Saturday we were just kind of just doing adventures, just doing random stuff. And we were walking all over. I live in the downtown area, so we were exploring all over downtown and just playing, having fun. And throughout that day I still made almost $200 that day, just between two quick notary things that didn't interfere with our day. One, someone had called me and they asked if I could notarize a couple things for them, and so they came on by, and there was 6 things, so $10 per stamp, $60. And then only took a couple of minutes. They just came right to me. And then later on in the day, I was with my daughter, and we were at this spiritual shop, and I was looking at the singing sound bowls, and really wanted to get this one. My daughter really wanted to get it. Me to get it. She's like, "Oh, you should buy it and everything." And it was like $100. So I was like, I don't want to get it today. I know, I could have, but I was like, I don't want to get it today. And all of a sudden, that minute, I got a phone call from somebody, and they were like, "Hey, I know it's last minute, it's a Saturday and everything, but I was just wondering if you could notarize a couple things for us and how much you would charge to just coming over to the house here and notarize a couple things." So I was like, "How many things do you need notarized?" And they said they needed 12 things. And so I told them, hey, it'd be $10 per stamp, so that'd be $120. And I told them I had my daughter with me, so I told my daughter, I said, all right, hey, look, I'll buy this right now. I said, you're coming with me to a quick notary appointment right down the road. It was only a couple minutes away. So she's like, yeah. So I bought the sound bowl, and then me and my daughter went over to the folks' house and notarized a couple of documents that only took about 15 minutes, and they paid me $120 cash, and then we went back to just enjoying the rest of our day. And so that justified me being able to buy that cool sound bowl that we both wanted. And so between those two appointments, made $180 in cash. And it took practically, no time at all. I just squeezed it into the cracks of the day while we were having fun. Florida gets so hot here, it makes my phone start skipping. But just squeezed it into the cracks of the day while we were having fun. Didn't interfere with anything. I was able to do everything around my schedule when worked for me, even while having my daughter with me as a single parent. And that's what's so cool about how being a notary is such an easy way to make fast cash. Because once you become a notary public, you can get yourself listed for free on sites like 123notary.com or notaryrotary.com or notarycafe.com. And so when people in your local area go on Google or search for a notary, then the people that are closest to them on these directories will pop up. Your phone number and information will pop up so they can contact you, and you'll get people that'll call you for just quick odd job notary things, just needing a couple of documents notarized. And so you can easily make really fast, quick cash, super simple. You can accept or reject the offers, and you can actually set the prices for what you want. I could have charged more money for those or less. It's your own business. But the cool thing about it is it's a really simple way to make quick, easy cash. What if you only made just an extra couple of $100 a month? Just imagine it. Say you work 9 to 5, but so you only have after work. But just a couple of times a month, maybe on the weekends, things like that, you were able to make an extra $100 a weekend, make an extra $400 a month. How would that be? An extra $4,000 to $5,000 a year. And so being a notary is such a great way to make quick, fast cash. And if you really want to make serious money, really make the big bucks, then become a loan signing agent as a notary, and then that's when you can make some serious cash. Like I said, I've had plenty of days where I've made over $1,000 in a day as a notary. plenty of $10,000 months. And so if you want to learn how to do that, then I highly recommend checking out the course in the description. And that's the course that will teach you how to make 6 figures as a notary public with your own notary business. And anybody can do it. So, but just for starter, you can even just become a notary, just get your notary commission, and just start doing a couple odd job notary jobs here and there, make some extra cash. So if you have any questions, leave a comment below. And until next time, have a great day, a great week, a great month, a great year. Let's make it a great life. See ya.